What's going on, YouTube? We're back here with another video, and today we're going to be messing around with the new MetaQuest 3. Corey made me a nice little stand.
Check that out.
With his little 3D printer, not little, big 3D printer over here. But yeah, we're going to go into some stores. I think we're going to drive with it on.
Yeah.
It's going to be pretty fun. See you soon. Alright guys, we got the new MetaQuest. We're going into
Best Buy
right now to get a new tripod for my camera. Nope. Hey,
How are we doing, guys?
hello.
How can we help?
I need a new tripod for this.
Got you. They're gonna be. You see where it says headphones and speakers on that blue color? Second outline. Thank you. Hey, boss, how are you?
Just be careful, he said.
Do a checkout with the glove.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, but hopefully they let us check out with these on.
Yeah.
Corey, which way do we go?
I don't know. It's the blind leading the blind right now. I think, yeah, here's the checkout, yeah.
Right?
Left, I think. And, yeah, keep going. This lady right here.
Hey, I get it. Thank you.
Blah 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 blue blue blue.
Do you need a bag or are you okay?
I'm good, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
Have a good day, guys.
You too.
You doing, sir?
Bro, it's so hard to walk. Yo, the screen is over there. Yo, my screen's over here. Hold up, guys. I gotta go pick up my screen where I left it.
Oh my god. You look like a nut.
Alright, we got a new tripod for the camera. Broken in the snow.
Oh shit.
Well, that was a success.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so hard to walk. Alright, guys, we're going into the mall. It literally smells like somebody shit themselves.
that's stinky.
Like, what the fuck is that smell?
Ugh.
I would not eat from anything over here. But we got the metas. We're going in. Going into the mall. Hopefully we don't get kicked out. Load. Load. I can't see. Load. I'm gonna go wave it out. Where's my Where's my TV? You know, my TV's missing. Buy some gelato with the money gone.
Oh, I low-key want another one of those, the mango. Can we find the Haagen-Dazs thing? Get another one of those shakes. I'm serious. I want one of those smoothies. should do. Yeah, go order a smoothie with the metas on. I can't.
Can I look it up?
Yeah, I think that's just a search. U, not an O. U-M-E-M.
Guys, I can't really see here.
I guess not. No, that's not. Seriously. Okay.
How does it feel to treat me like you do? When you laid your hands upon me and told me who you.
Alright guys, Corey's got the Meta glasses on. We're gonna go into Target.
Let me pinch it. Give me. There we go. Okay.
He has a screen in his hand.
I'm gonna play Subway Surfers. This is trippy. You're gonna tell me to take it off again.
Hey, they didn't tell us to take it off in Best Buy.
I lost my screen.
Nah, you're good. That little thing will just keep going away. Can you see okay, Corey?
Yeah. Is this what fuck this? This is like walking on like pills. Oh my god, go away. The thing that says you've moved too far.
Alright, so we're coming in here for a gift card.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta find a gift card. I'm gonna go to the gift card section. What are you doing, Corey? Alright, Corey, go in.
We gotta just keep pretending to do shit.
What you gonna get?
Oh no. The like the 5 restaurants in one sounds really good. But then this one sounds really good. Ooh, cheesecake and chilies.
Crackle Barrel, bro. Yeah. Alright guys, we just got done inside of Target. We got distracted a little bit. Had to get my sister some gift cards for her birthday. Got myself some cherry Twizzlers because these are the best. What'd you get over there, Corey? The rip-off Gushers?
I just gushed in my mouth.
Yeah, rip-off Gushers there.
Stay live.
Recording?
Yeah, it's recording. And you can see?
Yeah.
You're good?
Yeah, I'm good. Bro, this shit is hilarious, bro.
I just want the grilled chicken nugs
Alright, grilled chicken
with ChickfilA sauce.
with ChickfilA sauce. And then I want a chicken sandwich with ChickfilA sauce.
Alright, wait, stop. Oh no, yeah, keep going. A little bit more, a little more. Alright, stop. Stop.
Corey, I know what I'm doing.
Welcome to ChickfilA. Can I have an inside of your order?
Thomas,
Thomas, I'm gonna assist today.
can I get a number 1 ChickfilA sandwich? Not the meal.
The deluxe sandwich or the original?
The original.
Would you like pickles on that?
Yes, please. And then can I get the grilled chicken nuggets? The 8 count.
Anything else?
And 2 extra packets of Chick-fil-A sauce, please.
Anything else?
That's it.
So Chick-fil-A sandwich with the pickles and an 8-count of lingo 1412.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
My pleasure.
I can't stop. It's too funny. Dancing, yeah. I'm gonna ask her if she likes my goggles. Or him if he likes my goggles. He's looking at me. Guys, the guy just looked at me like crazy.
Gonna try not to get the Chick-fil-A guy.
I'm gonna tell him now I'm testing out a new product for Meta.
The Meta Quest 4s.
I'm gonna be really serious about it.
Bro's going for the gummy cluster.
Thomas?
Yep. You like my goggles?
Yeah, I wonder how you're doing that.
They're the MetaQuest 3. Yeah.
1412.
They're the MetaQuest 3s. Do you have tap?
Yep, I just gotta take it. Here we go, just a moment on that for you, okay?
Thank you so much.
Look into the kitchen.
Yo, I'll throw it down there, boy.
Just be careful posting any videos with minors in you, okay?
Yep. Thank you so much.